Hello viewers, welcome to KM Goldstone channel. Today we are going to see some unknown amazing facts that most of them have never heard or read about it. Okay, let us see and know about them one by one. I would like to question you that whether any living creature can live forever without death. For this you will say that no living creature can live in this world without death. But you will not believe is that there is one living creature that lives forever without death. Okay, now let us see about this. Turritopsis nutricula is one kind of jellyfish where this is the only living creature in this world that lives forever without death. Once it is born, it has no nature death. But if anyone kills or some other predators attacks, it may die. But this Turritopsis nutricula has no biological death, means which has no natural death. Next is very interesting thing that have you ever seen that we can able to play musical sound by using rocks? Yes, there is a rock named Ringing Rocks, where by using these rocks we can play amazing and beautiful musical sound just by hitting something a metal rod on it. These type of rocks are located in Pennsylvania. Ringing Rocks, in other words, it is known as sonorous rocks. But till now, no scientists have found that what's the reason to create musical sound in it. Next, if anyone questions you that who invented light, everyone will tell that Edison invented light, but actually Edison did not invent the light. Before Edison on 1800, there lived a scientist named Alessandro Volta, who is a person who invented the first stage of light. Later in 1840, a scientist named Warren, who made some alteration and he invented the second stage of light, where at this time Edison was not born. Later in 1860, an English scientist named Joseph Swan, who improved still when he completed the full light process. Finally, on 1879, Edison came and made the final touch. He altered some design and he completed the full structure and got the name that Edison has invented the light. And next, everyone knows that Antarctica is fully covered with ice, but there is one unknown thing that nobody knows about it. The thing is that 3% of ice in Antarctica is formed with penguins' urine. By hearing to this, you may all get shocked. But this is a true thing that 3% of ice is formed by penguins' urine. The reason is that we may all know that the temperature in Antarctica is below 0 degrees Celsius. So the penguins' urine has no chance to get evaporate. So this is the reason why 3% of ice in Antarctica is penguins' urine. As we all know that the world's deepest point is Mariana Trench. But many people in this world think that they have found the exact depth of Mariana Trench. But actually, it is reported that no one has still explored the exact depth of Mariana Trench. For example, on 1872 Challenger 1 submarine measured the depth of Mariana Trench is about 9,636 meters. Later on, 1951 Challenger 2 submarine measured the depth of 10,000 meters. Like this, many submarines measure different depths, but now finally Japan's Kaiko submarine has measured the depth of Mariana Trench is about 10,911 meters, but this was not explored till behind it. So still now no one has measured the correct depth of Mariana Trench. That too, many scientists tell that many living creatures live in Mariana Trench like Megalodon, and they have found even jellyfish also live in Mariana Trench. Not only this, many of them tell that without using microscope we can able to see virus and bacteria through our naked eye inside this deep Mariana Trench. Recently they have found plastic inside Mariana Trench, so still no one have exactly explored the depth of ocean. The correct depth of Mariana Trench is not correctly measured. In Thailand, there is a river named Mekong River. In this river, every October a many number of fireballs will go upward the sky from the river. So, no scientists have said the correct reason behind it. Many peoples will celebrate as a festival during these fireballs goes up. Next, can anyone naturally predict the earthquake that is going to happen in coming days just by looking to the sky? Yes, we can predict earthquakes just by looking to the sky, which is named as earthquake lights. Earthquake lights is a luminous aerial phenomena that appears in the sky. Earthquake lights are said to call as strange lights in the sky. These lights have appeared in the sky at the time when an earthquake is going to appear in coming days. Appearance of earthquake light seems to occur when earthquakes have higher magnitude, generally 5 or higher than Richter scale. There have also been incidents of yellow ball-shaped lights appearing below earthquakes. So, if you see some strange lightning on the sky without no clouds or no storm, you can confirm that an earthquake is going to happen near to that place. Okay friends, thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please share this video to your friends and do get more informative videos. Please do subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.